Dang. Wow. What's up, thrill seekers? It's your boy Tone here, back again with part 51 of the Hunt for the Gold. And I'm at the beach. I got some waves in the background, and we got Scott Pilgrim. Let's do it, baby. It is very high tide right now. Those are some big waves right there. Time for a tab pull, though. In the mic, watch this. Damn, that was satisfying. And we have a. Who is it? Who is it, people? Let's see. Oh, I can't see who it is. Oh, gosh. Oh, the pain. Oh, the misery. Look at those waves. Such good scenery. Am I right? Water, earth, fire, air. Long as. Alright. Talking to myself. Well, normal Scott Pilgrim. I mean, it's alright, though. I can't be mad. I will catch y'all in part 52. I'm going swimming.